In terms of pathology, in pathology, what you do is you do 4 years of residency, and then you typically have to do 2 more years of postgraduate training. So the thing about pathology is the the specialty of pathology is divided into anatomical pathology and clinical pathology, and from that is where all your fellowships come through. But you have to at least do 4 years. But in addition to that, typically to get a job as a pathologist or be, you can say, be competitive as a pathologist in terms of applying for jobs, you need to finish at least 2 additional fellowships. If you don't finish 2 additional fellowships, then the typical jobs are going to be more, toward teaching, more toward maybe director jobs, also clinical coding jobs, and so forth. So you have to kind of think about that as well. So it's even though it's 4 years, but you still got to do 6 years. In terms of internal medicine, the others you typically just need to do 3 years, and then you can usually get your job right away. But during, we're going to be talking about during the residency what you're expected to do. Like this is a nice list over here. For example, in pathology, you're going to you have conferences every single week that you're actually assigned to attend, and also you're assigned to actually give lectures. So for example, when I was doing my pathology residency, we pretty much had something called a journal club where we presented a research article on various different cancers, and we would do that for the entire faculty. So, and that's where that's why it's really important to understand how to do a presentation and get as much experience as you can on presenting topics. So then, it's a little bit easier for you when you get into residency. Um, and then, and some of the topics were on journal clubs. We also had we also did topics for autopsies. We had topics for different type of specialties in terms of like dermatopathology and how to actually get into that specialty as well.